2.8.
Hello everyone, and welcome back. Last night it got to 28 below the actual air temperature. Tonight it's supposed to get 28 below is what they're predicting. Last night they were only predicting 21 below. And the wind chills tonight are supposed to be 50 degrees below zero, or maybe even a little bit colder. So tonight Melissa and I are in there and we're just making up a simple batch of homemade soap. We haven't made soap now for a couple of years, so we're just doing a simple coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, and lye and water, and then we're adding some lemongrass essential oil. Just a simple batch. So right now we're in there, we're getting everything mixed up. We were going to use my homemade soap molds, but Sarah bought Melissa a mold, and we're going to use that. And we will use the homemade ones when we want to do this like mass produce or whatever. More bars than what we're doing tonight anyway. So anyway, we're just in there making soap, and we're going to see how it turns out. We've got our oils right here that are heated up right now. They're at 126 degrees. We got the lye over here that got a little bit cool, so we just have it in a hot water bath, getting that back up to about 120. This is the soap mold that Melissa got from Sarah. There's our original soap mold that we used when we made it down in Louisiana. Each one of these containers has 2 pounds of lye crystals. Now we're adding in the lemongrass oil. I think it looks pretty good. We can get the top smoothed out as good as we can. Okay everyone, well, it's simple as that. This has to sit in the mold now for 3 to 4 days at least before we can pull it from here. So I'll bring it down in the basement, we'll let it sit there for probably a week, and then after we take it out, you still wait quite a while before you actually use the soap. Thanks a lot for watching everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.